Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be attempting to make Hangry's rib suckin barbecue sauce from Dark Deception. Now I don't have all the ingredients. It says to use pineapple juice, but instead I'm going to be using apple juice, which I think is okay too. And I don't have any distilled vinegar, but I have apple cider vinegar that I'll use as a substitute. Also, I don't have any sea salt, so yeah, I'm going to be using just iodized salt. And we got honey, spices, chopped onions, garlic powder, and I don't have any tomato paste, so I'm going to be using marinara instead. And of course, liquid smoke. So let me go ahead and get my spoon out real quick. And we'll get started. This is my little container that I'll be using. Let's get this over with. So first we'll put the marinara sauce. If it will open. There we go. Pull this up so it doesn't go everywhere. So, marinara sauce. Let me get a napkin. Also, I'll be sure to clean up any messes that I make in the process. So let me go ahead and put the marinara sauce away. Next, we'll apply the apple juice, because like I said, I don't have any pineapple juice, so let's do that. I won't use too much, but just a little bit. Some vinegar. Throw that in there. Put some honey in there. Clean this off so it doesn't get any taste in it. Wait for this to run out. And we can go ahead and just put that in there. Make sure it gets all the way in there. This is brand new, by the way, so. We'll put the garlic butter in. It's probably a little much, but who cares? Because, you know, put some seasoning in there. I use soul food seasoning. Apply the chopped onions, because I don't have any, like, onion powder. There we go. We'll put the black pepper, if it comes out. Put some black pepper in there. Oh yeah, it's starting to smell good. Salt. Okay. Now, last but not least, since, you know, use a little bit of ketchup, because I do not like ketchup, even though I don't like it, but, you know, most barbecue sauce does anyway, so let me go ahead and put that. Oh, that's hot sauce, my bad. if we have any ketchup in here. Let me check real quick. We should have some. Should have known this was gonna be. No, I don't see any in there. I only see soy sauce. Wait, what's that? Oh, here we go. Just a little bit, not too much, just a little. Just a little. Give me these scissors. Cut the package open a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. Because I am not a ketchup lover. There we go. Fold this up, put it back in the fridge, and I got some on my hands. Ew. I'll just put this in a package, but whatever. Put that back in the fridge. Close this up. Now we just stir this up and it smells a little like pasta sauce to me though. Just in case that's the case, let me go ahead and put some more vinegar in it. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to put the liquid smoke. My bad. Just in case, maybe a little more spices. My stomach's grumbling. Oh, this stuff smells so good. Put some liquid smoke now. There we go. Now stir it up. Oh yeah. Now it smells like barbecue sauce. What are you doing, dog? Weirdo. And also let me put some more honey in it. Take this honey and just stir it with the rest of it. Make it a lot more, you know. I wonder if it's normal for it to be this liquidy. No, we just taste it and see what it tastes like. Not bad. are you doing, dog? Anyways, that's how you make that. I'm gonna put this stuff away and turn this camera off. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Dark fans.